Tracy and her husband Josh join us along with Sophie's Dr. Bonni Goldstein. Thank you all so much for being with us. And obviously, we're so happy that Sophie is doing well. And as parents, I want to ask you, because obviously you're passionate about this, what do you think life would be like for Sophie without this additional treatment, if you will?
I believe this oil has helped my child on so many levels. Not only has it helped preserve her vision, her neurologist told us she had a 100% chance of going blind with minimal vision in the right eye being a best case scenario. We shrank that tumor by 85 to 90% that first 13 months, and the tumor was not supposed to shrink. And what we have seen from an immune response has been incredible. She suffered from 9 blood transfusions that first 13 months, and 4 months before she got off chemotherapy, she stopped needing blood transfusions. Her doctors actually came to us and said, unless there's something else that you're doing at home that we don't know about, we want to attribute this to the cannabis because this is medically impossible, and cannabis was the only thing we were doing.
Well, just to clarify for our viewers, and we're so glad she's doing so well, but you were doing the CBD oil alongside the chemotherapy, correct? It was really kind of meant to make it much more tolerable so that the chemo could do its work, improve her quality of life, and allow both to do their job together, correct?
We 100% believe in the synergy of Western medicine and cannabis oil. This is not, we would never go against our doctors and take our child away from their care or remove those chemotherapies because we just don't have enough science yet to tell us how this medicine needs to be administered perfectly.
And I think you are a wonderful advocate. As a parent, to use the word science, Dr. Goldstein, I want to ask you the role of cannabinoid oils, not only in Sophie's treatment, but obviously the expanding possibilities with it.
Well, in Sophie's case, it was an add-on. But in my practice, where I take care of a lot of children, I have a lot of patients that come to me where nothing else is working. And we've had a handful of cases where cannabis by itself has actually put children into remission. But the scary thing is we don't know what dose, we don't know how long they have to take it for, we don't know what combination of cannabis oils they need to take. And so without the research that we need, and again, everybody should know that right now, cannabis, despite being legal in California and in other states, it's still federally illegal because it's on a Schedule I controlled act. And unfortunately, we're not allowed to do the research that we need.